Don't bury your ideas. Bring them to life at Sydney Hardware Incubator.
Our 2020 Accelerator program is part-time on Saturdays, so you don't have to quit your job.
You get guidance from over 60 industry specialized transformers.
You mean mentors?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
They'll give you their insights from building companies.
You can use this, you can use this. You can use this, you can use this, you can use this. Papa.
You can use cutting machine, drilling machine, a pencil.
You can use this to correct yourself.
Use laser.
We address all critical stages needed to launch your product to the market.
CAD modeling,
Yes?
prototypes,
Yes?
manufacturing,
Yes?
supply chain,
Yes, we do.
funding,
Yes, we do.
finding customers.
Yes, we do as well. Wow.
Wow.
We're going to Shenzhen, China for manufacturing too.
Oh, and we're going to meet hardware founders and chill with some troublemakers.
Yay!